An operator plans full arch all ceramic restorations for a patient with wear. A custom tray is fabricated on the diagnostic cast. The operator uses monophase polyether impression material to record the impression following prosthetic mouth preparation. He loads the tray entirely and injects the material with a syringe on prepared areas. Which of the following terminologies correctly describes this flow property of the material? Options are elasticity, shear thinning, creep, and film thickness. Okay, so here a lot of details are given. Firstly, it's a monophase material. Monophase means single consistency of polyether is used. No putty, no light body. Only this consistency will act as tray material and syringe material. That means when you push the material in a syringe, it becomes thin. Okay, this is like dealing with a bottle of ketchup. It is thick inside the bottle, but when you squeeze it out or you with pressure, when you put it on your plate, then it comes like a thin liquid, like a jet of material. So that property is known as shear thinning because of a shear force. Shear means layer by layer force. Okay, so it flows in a lamellar way and it thins out. Now this property is a non-Newtonian behavior for your theoretical understanding. Where the viscosity of the material reduces because of strain. So if you apply strain, the viscosity will reduce and it will flow better. So this part will record all the details around the teeth. This part will be present on the tray like a putty. So this property is called shear thinning. Let's have a look at the other options as well. Elasticity, the best example I can give you is rubber band. The ability of the material to come back to its shape, okay, after being stretched or compressed, that is the stretchiness of a material. So that is not relevant here in the impression material. Creep, as we all know, seen in amalgam. It's a time dependent plastic deformation of the material due to some adjacent opposing tooth or any other external force, usually seen in low copper alloys, so not relevant here. And then film thickness, which is a property of luting agents, How much amount of dye spacer you are going to apply on a die, that depends on the film thickness of the cement. That means the thickness of the material that you require for it to bond, for it to allow the restoration to bond to the tooth. So this is again related to luting agents, not relevant in terms of elastomeric impression material. So the correct answer to this is shear thinning.